My name is Karen and I'm from the York County Library in South Carolina, and here today to share a craft opportunity with you guys at home. Our craft for today is a catapult. That's pretty easy to make, and I thought I'd give you some instructions on how you can do so at home. For this craft you will need some things on hand. Let me grab this, I lost one. You will need some rubber bands. 3 rubber bands is perfect. You will need a plastic spoon. Any kind of plastic spoon will do. And you will need 8 popsicle sticks. And 8 popsicle sticks could be from ice cream or from your craft supplies at home. And if you have the larger ones, that would work as well. So don't worry if you have the larger popsicle sticks, that's cool. And last but not least, you will need some pom-poms, some ammo, something to fling from the catapult. So that's the things we have here, and you can gather those things up and pause for a minute. But in any case, let us begin. So first thing you're going to want to do, you're going to want to gather together 7 of the 8 popsicle sticks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Get them all lined up just like this. And you're going to take one of your rubber bands and wrap it around the one end. And you want it to be pretty tight. Tight and secure. So there, we have one end all wrapped up. And then what you're going to do, you're going to take the remaining popsicle stick and slip it in between the end popsicle stick. Right, so there's 1 on one side of it and 6 on the other. And you want it to go down so it's about 1/3 of the way or so from the end with the rubber band. Okay? Let's see. And then you're going to take another rubber band and secure it around that other side. Make it nice and snug there. Okay? So now this is what it looks like. This is what you got. And next involves the spoon. So this is what we got. This is about 1/3 of the way versus 2/3 of the way under, right? So next you're going to want to take the spoon and we're going to attach it to that smaller portion, right? So I was holding it like this, so you're going to attach it to that smaller portion using your last rubber band. And gotta stretch out that rubber band. And now we're going to wrap it. Hold it just so, don't you? Gotta wrap it around that end. Make it nice and snug. And there you have it, your catapult. So to use it, what you're going to do, you're going to have one hand on the one side, you're going to flick it. So let's try it out, see how it goes. So you hold it down on the one side and then flick. Oh, that was pretty high. And then let's try it again. See if we can get it to go farther. Oh, it likes going high though. And flick. 2 more, you ready? 1, 2, 3. Woo! Oh, that was really high. And last one, ready? 3, 2, 1. So that is your catapult. Have fun.